Redmi. Tech beast Xiaomi unveiled the 15 series, and from the latest rumors, we can say that it will be available before the end of 2024. The most recent series by Redmi was the 14 series, which was launched with some of the most cutting-edge features and specifications, so that's why it is performing very well against the others. The upcoming Xiaomi's 15 will also be a game-changer, with more advanced specs such as an enhanced camera system, improved battery life, a powerful processor, etc. This all-new 15 is expected to arrive with one of the most powerful and fastest chipsets in the smartphone industry, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, and with the addition of a 3.3 GHz octa-core CPU, your new 15 will be an unbeatable beast. After that, to add some more power, it offers 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal memory. In order to expand the memory, there will be a dedicated memory card slot. In the case of the Xiaomi 15, the photographers are going to be the biggest fans since it carries a triple camera system with a 64-megapixel sensor as the main sensor, and the others are yet to be confirmed as well. A 32MP selfie camera will be available on the front. The future Xiaomi 15's an enormous 5000 mAh battery pack that could last up to the whole day on just one charge. Thus, as a result, it appears that other smartphone manufacturers as well as Samsung could be facing tough competition once more in the near future whenever the latest 15 series by Xiaomi are released. Processor. CPU. 3.3 GHz octa-core. Chipset. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC GPU. Adreno 830. Display. Technology. LTPO OLED capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Size. 6.3